How to center text in a Word table. If you're having problem bringing these text to the center of the Word, here is how you can do it. But before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you get future notification on new videos. Alright, so let's begin. First, what you want to do is you want to select the text that you want to center, and from here you want to go to, you can directly click here align center. It will directly take your word to the center, but if you turn it off like this and bring it back to normal, there is actually another way how you can do it. So just select your text and go to the table layout right here, and here you will see an option to bring it to the center. So if you do this, as you can see, the words has now been transferred to the center of the table. So if you want to do this to all of your table content, just click on this little icon at the top left. It will select the entire table, and you want to click on this. So as you can see, everything is now on the center. If you want to bring it down and bring it exactly on the center of the table, you can do this. Or if you want to bring it to the bottom center, you can do this. So let me just increase this, and you can see it clearly now. If I move it, it will go to the center. If I move it, it will move to the top center, and if I click on this, it will move to the bottom center. And that's how you center a text on Microsoft Word table. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification so you don't miss out on new videos. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.